Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. In part 2 of our series on tire maintenance, we're continuing our deep dive into tire cupping. Let's jump right in. Flashlight. A good flashlight helps you see details on the tire surface that you might miss otherwise. Tire pressure gauge. Keeping your tires properly inflated prevents uneven wear, so checking tire pressure is crucial. Alignment check. Proper alignment ensures even tire wear. Misalignment is a common cause of cupping. Balancing machine. Tires need to be balanced to avoid vibration and uneven wear. Using these tools and techniques, you can perform a thorough inspection and catch issues before they become significant problems. Keeping your tires in good condition is not just about smooth rides, it's about your safety and the safety of those on the road. Regular tire inspections are a small task but can have huge benefits, helping to prevent tire cupping and ensuring your vehicle performs its best. Preventing cupping on tires. Cupping on tires can be a hassle and a cause for concern for any driver. Luckily, there are several methods you can use to prevent this issue. By following a few simple steps, you can ensure your tires wear evenly and last longer. Regular maintenance practices. One of the easiest ways to prevent cupping is by sticking to regular maintenance practices. This means keeping an eye on your tire pressure and making sure you rotate your tires. Maintain proper tire pressure. Always check your tire pressure. Tires that are either overinflated or underinflated can wear unevenly. Use a reliable tire gauge to check the pressure and compare it with the manufacturer's recommended level. Most cars have this information on a sticker inside the driver's door or in the owner's manual. Regular tire rotation. Rotating your tires every 5,000 to 7,000 miles helps ensure they wear evenly. Each tire wears differently depending on its position on the car, and rotating them helps balance this out. Make a habit of rotating your tires every time you get an oil change. By sticking to these practices, you can greatly reduce the risk of your tires developing cupping. Professional services. Sometimes, despite your best efforts, you might still need professional help to keep your tires in top shape. Seeking help from professionals for alignment and balancing services can be crucial. Alignment services. Poor alignment can cause your tires to wear unevenly, leading to cupping. If your car pulls to one side or your steering wheel is off-center, it might be time for an alignment. A professional can adjust your car's angles to meet the manufacturer's specifications, ensuring your tires touch the road perfectly. Balancing services. Unbalanced tires are another common cause of cupping. If you feel vibrations in the steering wheel or seats, it could mean your tires are unbalanced. Experts use special machines to balance the weight of the tire and wheel assembly, reducing the chances of uneven wear. By investing in regular maintenance and seeking professional services when needed, you can keep your tires in excellent condition and avoid the hassle of cupping. Remember, your tires are the only part of your car that touches the road, so taking care of them is crucial for a smooth and safe ride. Addressing cupped tires. Detecting cupping on your tires can be a real headache. Cupping, which appears as uneven spots or patches on the tire tread, can cause a rough ride and unsafe driving conditions. Once identified, it's crucial to know the next steps. Here's what to do if you notice cupping on your tires. When to replace tires. Deciding when to replace tires due to cupping involves a few critical criteria. You don't want to jump the gun and replace them too early or wait too long and risk safety issues. So, when should you consider getting new tires? Depth of the cupped area. If the cupping is more than 2/32 of an inch deep, it's time to replace the tire. Deep cupping can't be fixed and poses safety risks. Extent of cupping. Check how widespread the cupping is. If it's all over the tire, replacement is often the best option. Tread wear. If the overall tread is worn out, less than 4/32 of an inch, cupping is just another reason to replace the tire. Age of the tire. Tires older than 6 years should be replaced, regardless of cupping. Old tires can fail unexpectedly. Vehicle performance. If you notice significant vibration or noise that doesn't go away, even after balancing and alignment, cupping is likely the cause, and new tires are in order. Repair options for minor cupping. Sometimes, the cupping on your tires is minor and doesn't warrant a full tire replacement. There are repair options that can help extend the tire's life. Here's what you can do. Tire rotation. Sometimes minor cupping can be mitigated by rotating the tires. This can even out wear patterns and extend tire life. Balancing and alignment. An alignment and balancing service can stop cupping from worsening. It helps ensure the tires wear evenly going forward. Tire shaving. This isn't common, but some specialty shops offer tire shaving to even out cupped areas. It's usually more cost-effective to replace the tire, though. Improving suspension components. Worn-out suspension parts often cause cupping. Replacing shocks or struts can prevent future issues once the current tires wear out. Keep an eye on your tires and address minor cupping early with these steps. This can save you money and keep your ride safe and smooth. By staying proactive and tackling cupping head-on, you'll maintain better control over your vehicle's performance and safety. Inspecting tires for cupping is crucial for maintaining vehicle safety and performance. Regular checks can prevent severe damage and costly repairs. Ensure your tires are balanced and aligned to reduce the risk of cupping. Taking these steps not only extends tire life but also improves driving comfort and safety. Don't overlook this important aspect of vehicle maintenance. Stay ahead by making regular tire inspections a priority. Keep your ride smooth and safe. Schedule a tire inspection today. Share your thoughts or experiences with tire cupping in the comments. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.